Welcome to InnovAero. InnovAero is an end-to-end drone solutions provider based in Brunei. We are the first and only drone company in Brunei specialized in delivering the full spectrum of industrial drone use cases. Our workforce is 100% local Bruneian and is professionally trained to help businesses across various industries by utilizing unmanned aerial vehicles (UAV) technology to get more work done in less time and turning their focus to the bigger picture. Here's a general overview of our services and what we can do to help your business. In asset inspection, we capture high-quality aerial data for all inspection and maintenance requirements in a safer and more reliable manner while avoiding operational downtime. Additionally, drones are fast to deploy and cost-effective. Thermal images can also be captured to spot which objects are exceeding its temperature limits. On the software side, we are able to render an advanced 3D model of infrastructures that can be viewed remotely, and annotations can also be added to specify which parts of the asset needs maintenance or repair. In agriculture, we use specific sensors to monitor and predict the health of the crops. With this data, farmers can manage their crops with higher precision and thus maximize yield potential. In addition to that, our drones can autonomously spray fertilizers or pesticides as quickly as 9 minutes per hectare. By capturing aerial footage from our drone, project managers can easily view the overall progress of their construction site. Similar to asset inspection, we can capture 3D models of buildings and construction sites, giving you the full freedom to view your property from all perspectives. With this advanced tool, you can differentiate yourself from competitors, especially in front of prospective clients. From solar panels, maritime inspection to public safety, we are more than happy to discuss the right drone solution for you. For more information, please visit our website at www.innovaero.co and our social media at InnovAero Co. InnovAero, enhancing the future with UAV innovation.